Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to 4-step breakdance, only way. Start by warming your wrists, shoulders, hips, and knees for at least 5 minutes. Then test balance with a slow knee bend and weight shifts. Keep a comfortable shoulder-width stance and engage your core for stability. Focus on relaxed breathing and steady tempo as you rehearse the basic foot placement, and practice slowly before increasing speed to link moves. Begin with your dominant hand planted and knees slightly bent while you shift weight deliberately each beat. Guide your feet in a square. Lead foot forward, side, back, and return to start with 4 clear counts. Maintain a low center of gravity and keep elbows soft to absorb movement while coordinating breath with each step. Repeat slowly until the pattern feels natural, then gradually increase tempo to a comfortable rhythm. Avoid rushing through the 4-step before you can perform each beat precisely, as speed without control undermines progress. Keep elbows soft and hips mobile to preserve fluid motion, and always engage your core to maintain balance during transitions. If you feel strain, pause and reset your posture, then resume with slower counts. Practicing with mindful repetition helps build muscle memory and reduces the chance of injury.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.